So we're over the roundabout and we're going through Swinton, and I'm heading towards a road called Golden Smithies Lane, and that will take me down towards Manvers, and then from Manvers I could go on the cycle path and make my way towards Wombwell and hopefully find the cycle shop that I rung earlier this morning. Going downhill on the pavement because it's quite busy on the roads, but I always go slow on the pavement in case anybody walks out from the driveway or the path, and sometimes you can't see because of the edges, and I don't want to run anybody down. Well, this is Golden Smithies Lane, and it's a long road, but it's downhill. Once I get going, can sometimes get quite a bit of traffic on it, but this will take me down towards Manvers. You've got a bit of countryside on the left side, and a bit further down here there's Manvers College, Dearne Valley College. This is the start of the downhill section, so no pedalling, just enjoy the ride. Keeping reasonably close to the curb so that traffic can get past me easier. The only problem with that is the camber. Oh, got to pedal a bit. The camber and also the grates. You get holes in the grates, and your back wheel can, like that there, look, your back wheel can drop in it and tilt you. So I try to avoid those if I can. Few potholes. Garage on the right there, it's being made for washing. They wash the cars. That car overtook me, and they were a bit close to that red one. They were close to me as well. Not much further down here, and then I get on the cycle path, and you're a lot safer then on the cycle path. Oh, this is bumpy. Yeah, hopefully when if I get it serviced and everything's sorted, then I'll be good to go for the summer. On the right here we've got Dearne Valley College. And I can see the cycle lane, the big starting just there. So we'll get on there. There we go. and then you feel a lot safer once you're on this cycle lane, because you're away from the traffic. This next roundabout, this is the start of Pennine Way, and I'll be going along the cycle path all the way to the end of it, and then work my way towards Wombwell. So we are signpost, what we're going to do, Wath, Rotherham, Bolton, Doncaster. So we're on the cycle lane and we're going along Pennine Way. This time of year, there's not much growth on the trees and the bushes, like they've been cutting those there. You can just see buds developing on the bushes, which will eventually turn into leaves, and it can look a lot different. But it's nice riding along here. We've got a few little roads to cross over, but not many. I don't know if I mentioned, but I've done 2,300 miles. So it's definitely due now for a service. I've had it 1 year and I think 3 months, maybe 4 months. So we're still on the cycle path, heading towards Wombwell to take my bike to be serviced. It'll feel strange actually leaving my bike there. Since I've had it, I try and go out nearly every day if the weather's all right. So it will be a strange feeling coming home without it. But it should be better and get everything sorted out for the summer. This is a nice bridge that takes you towards Manvers Lake. People walking over it. But as you can see, it's a very busy road, that. So the cycle path makes it a lot safer. Also, you'll be able to see up here, what I say, the spring is on its way. You can see the white buds on the bushes, the blossom. It looks nice, but it does smell quite strong. We've got the cycle path, and then there's for pedestrians. So try and keep on the red cycle path. And up there you can see there's some pedestrians walking the dogs. So it's safer by being separated. Yeah. Also, as well as walkers, we've got joggers, look. He looked a bit tired, him. We usually come down here on a Friday. We go down that way, and there's Aldi shopping down there, so we do a shop in Aldi. Got to watch your pennies nowadays. And Aldi, you get some good stuff from Aldi, and it's a decent price. In fact, you can see the Aldi sign from here. It's lovely with sunshine. So we're off the cycle path now, and we're on the Pennine Way. I've been down here a few times, and as I said, whoops, roots at trees. Still heading towards Wombwell to the cycle shop. Since I set off, I've done 6 miles so far, so it's going to be a good ride to it. And then when I drop my bike off, I'll have to come back on the bus. It's a bit dull on this path here. The sun's not getting through. Bit muddy. Yeah, it's a bit different this time of year coming down here. All the trees are bare, few buds on them bushes and trees. But it looks a lot different when you come down in summer. Oh, there's a lot of roots here. Oh, some bad roots from trees. Got to go over them slowly, because it tilts you a little bit. Yeah, it's quite bad with roots here. But I'm still on my way to the cycle shop. Got quite a bit further to go yet. Oh, another route there, bump. Uphill. I forgot to look what time it were when I set off. I don't know how long I've been out.